TikTok, y'all. You on my YouTube channel, girl? We need you. Come on over here. What the hell he doing over there? He been waiting on me. I'm on YouTube right now. HD. If you come on over here, you ain't gotta see him. Yeah, he just got a new picture. Okay, which side y'all got? Yeah, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. Trying to get some more subscribers. When y'all get over here, y'all let me know so I can shout you out. Trocando, cuz? What you, hey, you know about that Trocando? What's his name? Simp? S Simp. You don't know about the Tequachis? Damn, where you been? He don't even know what a Tequachi is, y'all. This is a Tequachi showdown coming up, man. Okay, right lane for the win. Right lane for the win, y'all. Paper Rap Vodka, I don't know what he just here, man. If y'all don't want to see him though, y'all head over here to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, where it's showing in HD. We got Jose Condarco. Jose, I already remember your name. Okay, they say GTO all day. Who is that just came from T.O.? Yeah. Told you. I ain't know. Right lane. Right lane stayed out there, y'all. Right lane. Uh-oh, here comes this truck, y'all. He got a motor in it. What is the YouTube channel? Look Out Racing. Look out, look out, look out. Yeah, Look Out Racing, man. We in HD right now. Come on over here so we can holler at you. Like his gas pedal stuck or something. Or is that how they got the tone? Ooh, that thing shake the whole truck. He doing the good. Number 28X is going good. Oh, he got nitrous, y'all. that truck. Trey M is in the building, y'all. He wanted to let y'all know that he was Murder Squad, y'all. Trey M. Hey, Trey M. Look out, look out. Right lane for the win, y'all. That sound a little COVID-y. My bad. Watching on TikTok, y'all. Not a lot of times you see a truck beat a motorcycle. But anyways, all my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all, I'm live on YouTube. I want some of y'all to come on over here, subscribe. That's right, Lookout Racing is the channel. Get on over here, it's in HD. You know, y'all, you know, we got a good community over here. Good game. I'm being screwed. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what he's doing right here, y'all. And keeping money.